What's up, YouTube? Alright, I'm here at the Bluebird, and I gotta make this quick because we got the cold front coming through and it's starting to rain. First off, we got the diesel decal on, and it looks good, and it's actually staying. So, very cool. Okay, so we got the diesel decal on, everything else is good. I've gooped up the windows, the caulking is actually starting to dry clear. I've got this window here, which is nice and tight now. But we had our first big breakdown yesterday. That line right there is the high pressure power steering line, and if you look, it's kind of wet. There it is going into the pump. And if you look back here, it's all oily. So we rolled up to my buddy's house yesterday just to get this thing out on the road, and the high pressure power steering line burst, and I had smoke and all kinds of mess coming out from under the hood. It was ridiculous. So anyway, I just did one of these in the Thomas. It's not hard. There it is right there, the left hand line there. It goes across, and it comes over here to the power steering box. Where is it? It's the far one, right down here. Trying not to get dirty. So, and if you notice, the line coming off the box goes up to that. That right there is the Hydro Boost unit for the brakes. So with no power steering, I have no Hydro Boost for the brakes. Luckily, you saw the little drum on the side. Let me go back over there. When you step on the brake pedal on these Internationals, you see this little coffee can looking thing hanging off the side. That is the backup motor. So when you turn the key on some of these 3800s and you hear the brake pedal whining, or on this one when you step on the brakes and you hear the whining, that's the backup for the Hydro Boost. And basically I was able to drive this back here yesterday. It was only a couple miles with using the Hydro Boost motor. Whenever you step on the brake pedal, I had full power brakes, but I had no power steering whatsoever. So when it blew, there was transmission fluid all over the road out from underneath this, and it actually dripped down the bell housing, and it looked very similar to when the Thomas many years ago blew its flex plate and shattered it, like you guys saw in one of my really old videos. Same transmission too that's in here. So anyway, luckily it's just a power steering hose, and if you look, that guy right there is the replacement one that I just put here in the Thomas about 4 or 5 months ago. So guess the Bluebird's getting one too. For those of y'all wondering, I'll have to take the old one off the Bluebird, and then I'll take it to the local auto parts store, and they make hydraulic hoses. And so they'll make a hose the same exact length. That's why I have to take it. And they'll put those fittings on. And then I just bring it back here and put it on. So I think the one on the Thomas cost between $50 and $70. I don't remember exactly. So, but again, it goes on with my previous video about owning a bus. But I'm not going to get it changed right away. I'll probably do it later this month or next month, because I've got some stuff going on around Christmas time where I'll want the power steering in this guy to work. So we'll see what happens. It just depends. It just depends. If I had AdSense and whatnot, I would probably use some of that money to go get it done, but I don't, and I'm not going to ask for donations. So, but anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and stay warm, guys. What's up, YouTube? So as you can see, it's pretty dark outside. Very dark. But the interior lights, they're really freaking awesome. I don't even know why I'm airing up the tanks, but yeah, I mean, it's not the brightest in here, but it's pretty bright. It's not bad. For evenings, nighttime, it's actually not too bad with these LED lights. So yeah, anyway, I figured I'd give you guys an update on that. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay warm.